Okay, our Miss Gay Narvacandos, fourth runner-up, with an average score of 91%. The winner will receive a cash prize presented by Mrs. Jennifer Pagbilao, together with our Binibining Narvacandos second runner-up, Miss Jaylin Labrador. And our Miss Gay Narvacandos fourth runner-up is candidate number number 8.
Wala siyang minor award. Sa'yo walang minor award yung iba.
Congratulations, candidate number 8. Our Miss Gay Narvacandos fourth runner-up. And our Miss Gay Narvacandos third runner-up with an average score of 91.20%. And our Miss Gay Narvacandos third runner-up is candidate number number 4, presented by Mr. Mark Daniel Gabriel Pilitina, together with our Binibining Narvacandos first runner-up, Sabina Boca. The winner will receive a cash prize.
Ganda naman sila.
Next is our Miss Gay Narvacandos second runner-up with an average score of 93.60%. Presented by Mr. Nets Maglinte and our Binibining Narvacandos Environment, Miss Saisi Sarzilia. And our Miss Gay Narvacandos second runner-up is candidate number number 6. Congratulations, candidate number 8, candidate number 4, and candidate number 6. Candidate number 3 and number 7. So silang dalawa na lang po ang natitira. Okay, candidate number 3 and candidate number 7. Please step forward. Ang una kong tatawagin ay ang ating Miss Gay Narvacandos 2025. At ang hindi matatawag ay ang ating Miss Gay Narvacandos first runner-up.
Sige lang. Sige lang.
Our Miss Gay Narvacandos first runner-up is presented by Miss Jonabel Kinomura and our Binibining Narvacandos Miss Teresa Nirvana Dingle. And our Miss Gay Narvacandos is presented by Miss Jem Javier Aguinaldo, together with Mr. J. Aguinaldo. And our Binibining Narvacandos 2025 Miss Jemima Javier, and our reigning queen, our Miss Gay Narvacandos 2018, Miss Celine Tamayo Serzilia. And our Miss Gay Narva Cantos 2025 with an average score of 97%. And our Miss Gay Narva Cantos first runner-up with an average score of 96%. O diba, 1 point lang. Dikit na dikit ang laban. And our Miss Gay Narva Cantos 2025 is candidate number
7.
Our Miss Gay Narva Cantos 2025 is candidate number 7.
Nahulaan mo ah. Nahulaan mo.
And our Miss Gay Narva Cantos first runner-up is candidate number 3. Congratulations, ladies, what a night to remember. Once again, to all our winners, candidates, each of you as a queen in your own. Thank you to our organizers, judges, sponsors, and to you, our lovely audience, for making Miss Gay Narva Cantos a stunning success. This has been Mr. Marvin Arvalaid signing off with this one, Through Beauty Shines when it uplifts others. Good night, Narvacan, and see you next year.
Deserve. Ma'am, anong masabi mo sa nanalo? Deserve? Deserve. Sir, deserve ba? Deserve? Deserve? Sino nanalo? Deserve? Deserve kung nanalo. Anong masabi mo sa nanalo? Deserve? 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 Deserve ba sa nanalo? Deserve? Deserve ba? Deserve? Ano sir? Deserve ba? Deserve ba sa number 7? Magaling, magaling. Business. Ano yun? Siya yung ano? Ano ka sir? Yung ano niya?